How reliable are different climate models in ecology? Have you ever wondered how scientists predict the future of our planet's climate? Climate models are essential tools that help us understand and anticipate changes in our environment. These models simulate and predict climate behavior over various timescales, from seasons to centuries. But how reliable are they, especially in the context of ecology? Let's break it down. To assess the reliability of climate models, researchers compare their outputs with actual climate data. This includes key variables like temperature and rainfall. Each part of a climate model, such as the atmosphere, ocean, sea ice, and vegetation, is validated separately before being combined into a complete system. This process ensures that the model's accurately representing average climate conditions and seasonal patterns. Models are evaluated based on their ability to reflect long-term climate trends observed in the 20th century and beyond. Paleoclimate simulations, which use historical data from ice cores and sediments, help confirm how well models can replicate significant climate changes from the past. However, recent studies have raised some concerns about the accuracy of these models. For instance, some models have predicted more warming in the lower atmosphere than what has been observed through satellite and balloon measurements. This discrepancy highlights that while models can capture many climate behaviors, they still face challenges in simulating all layers of the atmosphere accurately. In the field of ecology, climate models play a vital role in understanding how changing climate conditions impact ecosystems and species distributions. However, ecological data often comes from long-term observations that have complex patterns. This complexity requires careful statistical analysis to avoid drawing incorrect conclusions. Ecologists must use appropriate methods that consider spatial differences and interactions among various factors to connect climate model projections with biological responses reliably. Recent advancements in machine learning are showing promise in improving the accuracy of climate models. These techniques can correct biases in multiple climate variables at once, such as temperature and rainfall. Such improvements can make models more useful for ecological applications, especially when predicting compound climate events that affect both ecosystems and human societies. Overall, climate models are generally reliable for capturing broad climate patterns and trends relevant to ecology. However, they do have limitations, particularly in simulating certain atmospheric layers and complex interactions. Ongoing research and methodological advancements continue to improve their accuracy and relevance to ecological studies.